Hey guys, what's happening? How to find TikTok Shop promo code. So one of the ways that you can do that, go to the TikTok Shop on your on TikTok platform, and you can see right here 20% off coupon. Just go ahead and press it, and you could use the coupon code on orders over 375 SAR, which means like probably $100, right? Or take that 30% off for orders over 485, which means probably 150 or 170 dollar or 170 bucks. So you can go ahead and see the eligible products that you can add the coupon or the coupons on, and then just go ahead and enjoy the discount. Another way of doing it, you could just go back to your screen and go ahead to your browser and just type TikTok Shop promo code, and the most famous website is Coupon Follow, right? So we're gonna go ahead to the Coupon Follow, and you're gonna see right here they generate over the hour a TikTok Shop offers, right? So you can get up to 30% off on orders 49 bucks or plus, right? So select your favorite coupon, and as you can see, also with cashback if you played it right. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.